Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting episode where we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is collision. So, what exactly is a collision? Well, it's a noun, and it describes the act of two or more things hitting each other forcefully. Think of it as a crash, a clash, or an impact. It's when things bump into each other, often with some force. In everyday language, we use collision to describe accidents, disagreements, and even abstract concepts. For instance, we might talk about a car collision, a collision of ideas, or even a collision of cultures. Now, let's explore some synonyms for collision. A close synonym is impact. For example, the impact of the meteor created a large crater. Another synonym is crash. We can say, there was a car crash at the intersection. Then we have clash, often used for more abstract collisions. The clash of opinions made the meeting very tense. We can also use the word confrontation. An example is, the two armies were in a confrontation near the border. The word conflict is also a synonym, as in, there was a conflict between the two parties. Let's see how these synonyms work in sentences. Instead of saying the car collision caused significant damage, we could say the car impact caused significant damage. Or, instead of the two politicians had a collision of ideas, we could say the two politicians had a clash of ideas. It's all about choosing the word that best fits the context and nuance you want to convey. Now, let's flip the script and look at some antonyms of collision. What words represent the opposite of things hitting each other? How about avoidance? An example is, the pilot's quick thinking resulted in the avoidance of a major disaster. Or evasion, meaning to escape or dodge something. His evasion of the question made me suspicious. Another antonym is separation, implying a space between objects. The separation of the two vehicles prevented an accident. We also have detour, meaning to take an alternative route to avoid something. The traffic jam forced us to take a detour. Then there's disconnection, representing a lack of contact. The disconnection between the train cars prevented a larger accident. Let's see these antonyms in action. Instead of saying the two cars were in a collision, we could say the two cars were in avoidance of each other. Or, instead of the ship had a collision with an iceberg, we could say the ship had an evasion of an iceberg. The key is to understand the contrasting meanings and how they change the overall message. So, how can we use collision in everyday life? Well, think about driving. You might hear someone say, I was almost in a collision today, meaning they nearly had a car accident. Or, in a more figurative sense, you might say, my work life and social life are in constant collision, meaning they're difficult to balance. You could also say, there was a collision of cultures at the festival, describing a meeting of different traditions. Here are some more usage examples of collision in sentences and phrases. The collision between the two trains was a terrible tragedy. Another example, the project suffered from a collision of priorities. Or, the scientists studied the collision of particles at high speeds. Think about the phrase, on a collision course, meaning heading towards an inevitable clash or conflict. For example, the two companies were on a collision course due to their competing products. Another phrase to remember is collision damage, referring to the damage caused by a collision. For example, the insurance company assessed the collision damage to the vehicle. Finally, the term collision theory is used in chemistry. An example of its use is according to the collision theory, reactions occur when molecules collide with sufficient energy. So, there you have it. We've explored the word collision, its definition as the act of two or more things hitting each other, examined its synonyms like impact, crash, clash, confrontation, and conflict, and its antonyms such as avoidance, evasion, separation, detour, and disconnection. We've also looked at how collision is used in everyday language, from car accidents to abstract concepts. I hope this episode has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and improving your understanding of this useful word. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Your time and attention are greatly appreciated. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review on your favorite platform. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and continue their English learning journey. And now, for your challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word collision and share it as a comment under this episode. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep saying Hello Word.